Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I basically showing the how you can capture the whole WhatsApp chat to screenshot or any PDF file. We're not using any third-party tool like Taximeter, Camtasia Studio for recording the videos and then exporting to the PDF and making the images. We have a brand new trick for making the screenshot capture. This is a little tricky part, so we can need one extension like a full page screenshot capture from the Chrome. You just download and install in the Chrome Windows, and after installing they are showing in the right side of the pin section. You need to just add from that uh, to the main point. Just click on that point and just pin to the like a main menu bar. So just go to your like a WhatsApp page where you want to screenshot and go the make them to like a start from the chat where you want to capture. So you can just click on the right page and right click on the inspect element. You just select and select on the inspect element, and in the right side you showing the HTML content which is the render to the page, and you need to delete third like there's four some tabs, four divs. So you need to delete third div which is a sidebar. Just click right click on that and delete element, and after that you just on the like a when the on the starting of the chat page and just click on the capture screenshot page. It's take a time because sometime the chat is very long and screenshot take capture to time, so just waiting for the screenshot capture. Without the HTML element deletion, only the first static screenshot is captured, so that is not a useful trick. So we just deleting that HTML element from the sidebar, and we now have the full access of that like a main content pane. So we just waiting for the screenshot capture, and after that the screenshot export to any PNG file and PDF file. Now you can check the full page screenshot. Different windows open. You can check try to zoom. There is a lot of screenshot without any page break. You can check there is a screenshot. Now you have two options. You can export to any PNG or JPG or any PDF format. So just we allow the Chrome to download application. Oh, sorry, download the image file, and we can click on that. The image file is big, so it's take a time so opening in the any picture viewer. It's not need any like a third party tool which you need to download for like a 4 5 100 MBs. It's like a 200 to 200 KB extension which you need to Chrome. You can check the image is exported and we can open in the picture viewer, and the all images exported as a chat. So we can try one more time to for that how we can change. You can also change the full page capture screen setting from which you want to A4 size, US legal, and any third party page you want to export. We recommend the use the A4 size. If you choose the full page, that cannot be rendered sometime. So in the long chat, use the A4 size like that. We using the blank page, but that's not take a time to render that. Once more, we are performing same step again to once more time. So first we go through the start from the chat where you want to capture, and just waiting for I'm waiting for the scrolling up. Now we are from the start of the page, and we right click inspect and then check the main tab and then expand them, then another expand. There is three divs. We delete the third number one, that we click on and delete the element. Now we have the full page for the content, so we will just close that like a page and recapture with the full screenshot capture. Without deleting element, full screen capture is not helpful to deleting that. So we just deleting the element first from the side pane and then exporting. That's work perfectly. You can check we starting the capture. It's take a time for capturing if the chat is very long, but be patient for the export. If you are capturing very long chat, I recommend you don't use the picture export to picture. I recommend to export to the PDF. That's helpful because picture is very lengthy. Sometimes like any picture viewer can't open that big picture. So we recommend to export the PDF, any PDF format. There is the full page screenshot capture setting. You can select the page type. So we select the A4 and then click on the export. Now it's helpful to export that chat in the PDF format. It's a download. You just can open in the like any PDF reader, or I just open in the Chrome and you can check the chat screenshot will be there. There is a page break in the A4 size. In the blank page, when we selected in the page setting, they can't render sometime the PDF. But if you want just with the A4 size, that's continue.